Good morning, students. Students, today I am going to start Beehive poem number 2, Wind. I have written on the blackboard. This poem is written by Subramanya Bharati. This is the name of the poet. Students, in this poem, have you heard about wind? Wind we feel. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. When the wind blows, we feel that wind is blowing. This is the explanation of the title of the poem. Now I am going to start the stanza. In this poem, the poet describes about the wind. Wind is very forceful. Wind is very strong. And if the wind blows, if it is in high motion, then no one can stop in the front of wind because it is very forceful. Students, in this poem I have written some clue about the poem. That's the poem treats about the wind and it is a natural phenomena, you can say, and the poet describes difficulties, obstacles, troubles, struggles in our life, and it gives a strong moral that one must have faced problems. Otherwise, wind destroys weak things, because if we are not strong, if we are not powerful, then we cannot face wind, because wind is full of motions and it is very powerful. In this poem, the poet describes that we people, if we are suffering, we are facing problems, we are facing difficulties in our life, then we have to stand, we have to face wind patiently, because these things we get some moral lines from the poem that one must face problems, difficulties in our life. Otherwise, wind डिस्ट्रॉयज वीक थिंग्स. विंड क्या करती है? अगर हम उसको मजबूती के साथ उसका सामना नहीं करते हैं तो हवा क्या करेगी? हवा उसको नष्ट कर देती है, बिकॉज इट इज ए नेचुरल फेमिना, एक प्राकृतिक डिजास्टर है. ऑल दोज हु आर वीक एंड नॉट स्ट्रांग, दोज पीपल, इट मीन्स दोज हु आर वीक, दोज हु आर नॉट स्ट्रांग, दे कैन नॉट फेस द विंड. नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू read the first stanza. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did, you threw them all down, you tore the pages of the books, you bought rain and again. Students, in the first stanza it is very clear. The poet said that when the wind blows, the poet asked the wind to blow softly. Why? He said that, "O wind, blow softly and not break the shutters of windows. Do not scatter the papers. Do not throw the books, those books who are kept in the shelves." The poet said that the whole stanza implies a rebuke to the wind, because wind is very forceful, and he said that it is very powerful divine agency and we have to make patience. Second stanza. You brought rain again, you are very clever at poking fun at vikings. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. The wind guards windows and crushes them all. Students, in the second stanza, the poet said that the poet calls the wind as clever to make fun of the weak and weak crumbling houses. It means those houses, those huts, if they are weak, then they cannot face the wind, because wind is very powerful. So we can say if troubles and miseries at once come in our life as the wind does, and if we cannot face, then it means difficulties and problems can add to loss of the hope, and we have to face difficulties, problems in our life with patience. This is the suggestion, yeah, this is the moral line of the poet. Student, third stanza and last you can say. So come, let us build strong horns, let us join the doors firmly, practice to firm the body, make the heart steadfast. देखिए, the poet said that कि we should steadfast, we should firm faith, we have to strong, हमको हमारा विश्वास जो है यह बहुत मजबूत होना चाहिए, दृढ़ होना चाहिए. If we are not strong, if our firm faith is not strong, then we cannot face the wind, because everybody knows that we cannot face the wind. Wind is very powerful. And in the concluding stanza, the poet said that now the wind God would not do what they tell him to do. The readers should build according to poet, कि the readers जो हम पाठक हैं हमारी तरह, those who are readers, those who are students, we what should we do, हमको क्या करना चाहिए. The poet said that कि the readers should build strong homes to counter the harmful effect of the wind. If our house is not strong, then we cannot face the wind. It means कि they should join the doors firmly. So wind, practice to firm the body, make the heart steadfast. Do this and wind will be friends with us. The wind blows out of the weak fires. So this is the duty of the wind. This is the activity of the wind. If we are weak, we are not strong, then we cannot face the wind. So in the concluding stanza, the poet said that these they are able to do, so the wind shall be friendly with them. If you are strong, you have firm faith, then you can make friendly. And the wind blows out weak fires, he makes strong fires roar and flourish. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. It means the poet said that the wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. How can we make friends with us? If we are strong, we are powerful, we can face the wind. Then in the concluding stanza, his friendship is good. Means the poet said that we should therefore build ourselves strong in every way, so that nothing can harm us, so that wind cannot harm us. And we should therefore strong. When the wind blows, the poet advises that we must build ourselves strong in every way, so that life troubles dare not come near us. If we do like this, then even the wind God shall be our friend and it cannot harm us. Students, I hope this poem is clear. If any doubt, we shall discuss in next video. That's all.